Hello everyone, it's Maddie with Spectrum Art Creations, and today I have a brand new gorgeous line to show you. It is the Simple Vintage Meadow Flowers from Simple Stories. The full collection is here, it's in-house, and I figure I would jump super quick on and show you just how beautiful this collection is. So this is the 12 by 12. It includes 96 pieces, including your 12 by 12 plus your stickers. So let me open that up. And we can flip through it really quickly. Beautiful colors just in time for spring, but of course it features flowers and butterflies and just a lot of great mixed media and even some little master boards or layered papers. Beautiful colors. Again, some of these are so neutral that they can be used throughout the years, and of course, different seasons for different projects. They are not going to be necessarily time specific or year specific. Love that. The tapes on the pressed flowers, on the dried flowers. So cool. So this is the first time I'm looking at it as well, of course, other than pre-ordering. But it's the first time I've held it in my hands. So excited. Oh, we just got done doing so many beautiful tags. So it's great to see some other tags in here too, because we love them. Dragonflies in greens, pink, purples, butterflies also, and flowers. Beautiful back on there. Also a lot of different journaling cards in different sizes, different heights. Here's an actual horizontal one, some are horizontal going this one, some are vertical. Love the giant staple. And these can even be cut individually, of course, if you wanted to. So pretty. Oh my goodness, look at all those tickets. I see a lot of ephemera. And these are super easy to cut because, of course, they're straight lines. So even non-fussy cutters will love that. Very pretty. And some larger ones. Love the postcard. And as I mentioned, you have the full 12 by 12 sticker pack as well, with not only all of your beautiful elements, but you've got sentiments like Together, Beautiful, Breathe, Stay Wild, and a beautiful scalloped border there. So that is the 12 by 12. Now let's take a look at what else is in this gorgeous collection. Here we've got the card kit, one of my favorite things to do. It says that you can do 8 cards, but as we've noticed from previous ones that we've done, and there's a lot of videos here on our channel putting these together, because I love doing craft along with these. They're so easy to put together. Everything is provided and there is no cutting required. You notice? It will include 31 chipboard pieces, 53 die cut pieces, 8 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 card bases, your step-by-step instructions. So the only thing you don't have in here to make the cards are the envelopes that you have to provide yourself. But a lot of us don't even use them as cards. We use them as inserts into journals. So, and you can of course turn them into tags too if you wanted to. But it includes everything you need, including the step-by-step instructions for all 8 cards. When you're done, you're going to have leftovers. You always do. Here are your chipboard pieces. Again, they just pop out, no fussy cutting. Here are the card bases. They are pre-scored, so all you have to do is fold them. And then you'll notice that you have your backgrounds, trims, and everything else, but it all just pops right out. So these are going to make some beautiful cards. Needless to say, again, all just easy. Even though, you know, these are so easy to cut out because they're just squares and rectangles, even those are all cut out for you. So all you have to do is pop them out. So be on the lookout for us to use this and create some beautiful cards together. Again, tons of beautiful ephemera and chipboard elements, card bases, and so much more. And again, if you're not a card maker, fear not, because all of these make wonderful pockets and inserts inside of your journals as well. Okay, then we've got rub-ons. Oh, 2 6x8 rub-on sheets featuring bees and butterflies and florals, as well as some sentiments like wonderful beauty and explore, happiness, always growing. Lots of great mixed media bits there as well behind some of these elements. Love those extras too. So we've got beautiful rub-ons. We've also got the chipboard frames. So these are chipboard, and they are beautiful just the way they are. So all you have to do is add a photo, and if you want to add like a backing and a kick little board to it on the back in order to stand it up, or if you get magnets, you can put them on your fridge, or you can also get those plate stands, you know, the little plate stands, and you can just simply put your frame right into that, because all you need to do basically is add photos to these. Are gorgeous. Again, great for album and journal covers, also great for inserting into your journals. Look at that. How beautiful. Look at this one. Oh, upside down. There's a double. Look at an oval, double oval one. So pretty with a chair. Then you've got this gorgeous one with the butterfly. God bless you. And this other beautiful frame, wild and free. So those are the chipboard frames. You've also got your ephemera pack, and the ephemera pack has over 20 pieces of gorgeous ephemera. And I'll kind of go through them a little bit quickly just for you guys to see. Again, if anyone's interested in ordering any of these beauties, we have them in stock. I will be showing them, of course, during our Saturday live sale here on YouTube. So you can come and shop live and participate and ask questions, and even join in the games and challenges, or games and prizes, excuse me. But if anybody wants to pre-order, just go ahead and send me an email. My email will be on screen as well as in the description box. So you can just send us a quick email and let me know what parts, or if you want the full collection. Look, aren't those amazing? They're just beautiful. Awesome for layering and creating clusters. Of course, if you're working on a journal, all you need to do is add these onto your pages and turn them into pockets or little tuck spots. You know, you could do all kinds of fun stuff with those as well. Then we've got the sticker book. The sticker book contains over 285 stickers. You get 12 sheets. Oh, let me open it real quick. Just realized I have marker on my fingers. Can you tell I was working on boxes? Yeah. Great stickers, and they're nice and matte, which I love. Look at all the little page tabs, and so cool. Some are blank, so you can stamp your own or write in your own sentiments. You have your letters, so you can spell your favorite words or somebody's name maybe. My soul is made of meadow flowers. All good things take time. Explore, wonder, sweet. More flowers of different sizes too, which is nice. More images. Oh, you can create a really nice backdrop by layering some of those. Oh, these words are cool. They actually have text behind them. More tickets. And I think that was our last one. Yeah, that was. Okay, so that is the sticker book. In addition to that, you also have your decorative brads. Now, this will include the 27 self-adhesive brads plus 6 chipboard pieces. So let me kind of bring it up close and show you how pretty these brads are. You see that? Just so pretty. And then, if that is not enough, you've got some additional chipboard pieces here as well. Gorgeous. Finally, we've got two sets of ephemera. There is the bits and pieces and there's the floral bits. So the floral bits, it's exactly what it says. It's going to contain 51 pieces of gorgeous florals. I'm not going to open it because there's a whole lot in there. But you can see you've got bees and dragonflies and butterflies and pressed flowers and just beautiful meadow elements on there. Again, over 50 pieces in that. And then the bits and pieces is more of a all the other stuff, right? Like the watering can, your tickets, bird cages, trees. You still get some sentiments. You also get some little critters like the bee, which I love, and the butterflies. But you get it's not just all florals. So where this one is exactly that, flowers and some insects, this one is more of the other elements that will go well. So you probably need both. Okay, so I hope you guys have enjoyed the sharing of the brand new meadow flowers from Simple Stories. Once again, if you have any questions or any needs, make sure you go ahead and just send us an email or let us know in the comments. But we look forward to also seeing you during our live Saturday sale. Make sure you check out our online stores as well. We have two stores ready to assist you. We have the spectrumartcreations.com, which is the online store, and we also have our Etsy store. Same name, all one word though, Spectrum Art Creations. And of course, that you join us on Saturday for our live sales so that you can actually see the product live, shop live, chat live, and join in the games and giveaways. We are on every single Saturday, usually starting at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. However, the best way of knowing when we are live or having a sale or upload a new video is to subscribe to the channel and ring that bell, which we hope you will, because we not only do product demos and shows, but we also do tutorials, classes, and so much more. And then, of course, that you join the Facebook group, Spectrum Art Creation Friends. Don't forget the friends at the end. It is a private, exclusive group. So that's just a way for us to protect our members. Wonderful group where you can share all your inspirations, your makes, join in challenges, and so much more. So yes, make sure you check them out. And again, thank you so much for joining us today. We'll see you on this next video. Bye.